Hi, this is Chad Lands here at Guaranty RV, taking a look at the 255 RKS. It is the Fox Mountain, made by Northwood. Right over here you'll see that we have 2 propane tanks. Nice storage compartment. You'll also be able to access that from the other side. Some additional storage here. And as we come around to the back, 6-gallon hot water tank heater. Your gray waste and your black waste is going to be up front a little bit more. Sorry I missed that. As we come back here, a nice ladder to get on the roof. And as you can see, as we come down here, there's your other compartments to get into the storage. Come on inside. This is a rear kitchen, so it gives you a little extra space. Nice solid top, nice stove here, 3 burner top, oven, nice big fridge and a microwave. Some nice seating here, some swivel chairs, TV here, and as you come up here we got a lot of storage, clothes and such. This is kind of a unique design. Bathroom is a walk-through bathroom, so you can get to the bedroom, which I'll meet you in. The shower behind you is a nice corner shower with glass. And then as you come up here, a nice walk around queen bed. Alright guys, Chad Lands, Guaranty RV. Thanks for checking in with me. 702-249-6264 if you have any questions on this or any other products we have.